The Delhi High Court today expressing concern over hate speeches made by Ministers Anurag Thakur as well as MP Parvesh Verma of the BJP during the anti-CAA protests in Delhi. Although the High Court has not allowed an FIR to be registered in the case against the two of them, it has said that hate speeches lead to attacks on a community and those in power must act responsibly. My colleague Sukirti Dwivedi now joining us for more on that. Sukirti, what more do we know about this case?
Well, yes, while the court has refused this petition, it has dismissed the petition and which had sought for an FIR to be filed. It has made certain important comments saying that hate speech leads to attacks on a community. Those in power must attack responsibly. Hate speech like this is targeted at a particular community and violates constitutional norms like equality. And special emphasis has been laid down by the court on how these are elected representatives and not just people like them, but even religious leaders should act in a very responsible manner. Based on the kind of stature that you have in society, people end up looking up at you. You are supposed to set ideal examples, not carry out hate speech like this, which can lead to several crimes, create fear among various communities. It starts from simple hate crimes and then can go up to genocide. It even cited how Kashmiri Pandits had to leave Kashmir because all of that goes back to how it had started with hate speeches against a certain community, but it then escalated into many other things and ended up changing the entire composition of a certain region, with people having to migrate from there. So people who've been put in certain positions of authority, they've been elected by the people. You've to not just look at the welfare of the people of your local area who voted for you, but also about the social fabric, about the responsibilities that you have towards the society as a whole. And as communities, we should live with brotherhood, and that is what the constitution of the country also says, which has laid down several principles of equality, religious equality, and statements like these of hate speeches lead to religious discrimination and create a lot of hatred and fear among the society.
All right, thanks very much for that update on that important story. Thanks for joining us.